We're Kat and Dalton. After 3 years of full-time travel in our self-built home on wheels and the addition of our little hitchhiker Rory, we've decided to restore this 1989 RV we found on the road into our new full-time home. Now that Dalton's older brother Clinton has arrived and most of the mechanical work and interior demolition are done, it's time to get this old RV ready for a brand new subfloor.
So I'm creating a support system for this side of the Chinook for the floor on the inside. And it's against the storage compartment. Pressed up against wood that's splayed out. I jack up the van a little bit, you can see, relieves the pressure on the inside and relieves the pressure on the wood.
So, now that it's all propped up, we are getting the last of the attachments from the black tank to the actual Chinook body detached, and then hopefully that'll just slide on out.
Get my cutter thing and then I'll cut the one pipe and then we'll be done. It's another bright and sunny day working on the Chinook. Last night I decided to take out both of the gray water tanks. One's a black and one's a gray. So I did that last night and that cleaned up the space over here. So now I can start to remove a lot of the carpet and a lot of the stuff that's still here. So let's get to it.
So today we're starting out with a little cleaning. We got everything demolished from the inside, but now we're a little bit worried about the fiberglass dust, mold, debris, all that stuff. So the boys are vacuuming everything out with a respirator, trying to get it as clean as possible before we actually start to lift up the floorboards and replace them. Then it was a quick detour to Home Depot and Harbor Freight to get some much needed supplies.
So today we are trying to remove the bathroom, and it's two pieces. So we have to try and remove each piece, break it apart, and then we'll be able to do something with it. But we have these rusty bolts, so we either have to cut them out or use pliers or drill them out. So we're gonna show you that process. Make some bubbles, spray it hard.
At first, we tried drilling out the rusty old bathroom screws. They're about 30 years old, but due to the fragility of the also 30-year-old fiberglass shell, no one wanted to press too hard and risk cracking or breaking apart the whole bathroom. Over lunch, we discussed some other options of what we could perhaps try instead. Ultimately, we decided to try to cut through the rusted out screws with a cut-off blade on a Dremel tool. This ended up being extremely time-consuming. The fiberglass was smoking, so we had to slow down. And we ended up using a combination of both the cut-off tool and different drill bits to drill the screws out themselves. So getting this bathroom apart is turning out to be quite the feat. The boys have been going since about 9 and it's about 6 now.
Did it! It's done! It took us all day long to separate the two sides. All the bolts were rusted. It was hard. But it's done. We got two sides. Now, what do we do with it?
So next question. Next time we'll be doing the scariest thing of all, cutting out the entirety of the RV's rotten floorboards. We've really appreciated all of your support thus far on our RV rebuild series, so please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you've also enjoyed the series. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below to make sure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you next time.